In today's fast-paced business world, keeping track of expensive products is crucial. Serial numbers are an essential tool in product tracking, but when duplicated, they can cause a whole host of problems for e-commerce sellers. That's why it's so important for e-commerce sellers to ensure that their serial numbers are unique and accurately tracked. That's where Skustack comes in. With our product serial duplicates report, you can easily check if a particular serial number has already been assigned to another product. To access this report, simply go into the Reports tab and look for the Product Serials menu. Once you go into the Manage Duplicates page, simply press Search without adding any parameters, and all duplicated serial numbers will come up. If you go to the filter on the right, you'll be able to switch between sorting the list by serial numbers or total products so you can easily see the number of products connected to the same serial. You can also paste one or more serial numbers in the search bar and search for other products that might be linked to these same serials. You can go to the product page of each product and make changes to the serial number. You can use the Edit button to either modify the current serial number or delete it altogether. Don't let duplicated serial numbers slow down your business. Give Skustack a try today.